Let us see what is a transitive relation. Now, in the transitive relation, a relation R is said to be transitive if ordered pair x comma y belongs to R, y comma z also belong to the same R, and if it implies that x comma z also belong to R, then we say that it is a transitive relation for all x comma y comma z belongs to set A. So we say that if R is a transitive relation on set A, then if x is R related to y and y is R related to z implies x is R related to z, then we say that R is a transitive relation. So let R be a transitive relation. So R is said to be transitive R is said to be transitive if x comma y and y comma z belongs to relation R implies x comma z belongs to R. So R is said to be transitive relation on set A. On set A, R is said to be transitive relation on set A if x comma y comma z belongs to R implies x comma z belongs to R. Now we can write this like this: x is R related to y, so which means that x comma y belongs to R, and y is R related to z. X is R related to y and y is R related to z. Okay, so and implies x is R related to z. So we can write if x is R related to y and y is R related to z implies x is R related to z. Now let us take a small example to show the transitive relation. Okay, so let us take a set A which contains the elements say 1, 2, 3. Then let us consider some relations, say R1 equal to 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1 and 1, 2. Now this R1 being the subset of the Cartesian product is a relation. Now we are going to check whether this relation is a transitive relation. So if it has to be a transitive relation, we have seen that if 1, 1, then 1, 1 is present, then there should be some ordered pair with 1, 2. So 1, 1 with 1, 2, then 1, 2 should be present. So it is present here. And with 1, 2, there is no ordered pair with 2, something. Which means I did not check then whether you have any other ordered pair with 2, 1. So transitive relation fails only if x, y and y, z belongs to a relation but x, z does not belong to a relation. But here if 1, 2 is present and there is no ordered pair with 2, 1, so I did not check whether you have any other ordered pair along with 2, 1, then 1, something is there. So you will stop only if you have 1, 2, but I further don't check whether we have any ordered pair with 2, 1 if it is not there in the relation. So we can write this as a transitive relation. Now let us take another relation R2. R2 contains 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now here 1, 2, 2, 1 is present, so 1, 1 should be present in the relation. Now 2, 1 is present, 2, 1 with 1, 1 will be 2, 1, so that is also present. Now 2, 1 and 1, 2 is present, but 2, 2 is not present in the relation R2. So 2, 1 and 1, 2 belongs to R2, but 2, 2 does not belong to R2. Therefore, R2 is not transitive. Please make a note of this. Now, here if you see, R is said to be a transitive relation on set A if x, y, z belongs to R, x, z belongs to R, which means that Only if xy and yz belongs to R, then you have to check for xz belongs to R. For all x comma y comma z belongs to set A. For all x comma y comma z belongs to set A. So if x is R related to y, y is R related to z implies x is R related to z for all x comma y comma z belongs to A. So we infer that the transitivity fails only if the transitivity fails only if x is R related to y and y is R related to z, but x is not R related to z. Only in this case transitivity fails. So whenever you are given a relation, you have to check when the transitivity fails. Otherwise you can simply say it is a transitive relation. Now let us take another example. Say A equal to 1, 2, 3, and we are trying to frame some relations based on set A and check for the transitive relation whether the given relation is transitive. So if I say R equal to 1 comma 2, this relation is a transitive relation because there is nothing to check here. There is only one ordered pair, so there is nothing to check. So it is a transitive relation. So I hope it's clear. So transitivity fails only if x is R related to y and y is R related to z, but x is not R related to z. Then only the transitivity fails. Okay. Now let us see how many transitive relations can be made on set containing one element. So this could be an object type question. The number of transitive relations that can be made on set A containing one element. So the number of transitive relations that can be made on one element is 2. And similarly the number of transitive relations that can be made on set containing two elements is 13. So as we have seen that when the number of elements in set A is 2, we get totally 16 relations, out of which 13 are transitive relations. So you can try at home what are the relations that can be transitive in a set containing two elements. Hope you liked our videos. So if you like our video, like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.